Hello everyone, welcome back to another session. So, in the last session, we already completed login code. So, this is the login page, and we having model for login page. Just checking if the post is there, it's redirecting to the dashboard. Otherwise, it will redirect to the login page. So, we look on it again. Just refresh the login page. We type the password and login. It's taking us to the dashboard. So instead of allow user, you should print the username. So this is the dashboard, just static only. So we are slowly converting this HTML to the dynamic session. How we can do so? We know that we already having after login we have a user. That user variable is accessible here. Then inside the user we have username. So dot username. We'll go into details in upcoming sessions for this code because it might be a little confusing because we are slowly moving static HTML to the dynamic HTML. We'll discuss details. Wow, it's replaced right. So just we print user.username. So it's automatically replacing the username. Who the login user, it is automatically coming there. So if it is a different account, it will show the different name. Hope you understood this. This is actually simple concept. Nothing to worry. Just we are printing the username here. So same way you can print all the other details with the user model. So now I already logged in this in my dashboard. But when I add that URL, when I type that URL, automatically login page is coming. But it should not happen, right? Should redirect to the dashboard because we already logged in. So it will not allow us to log in again. So here we did some mistake. So this is the post case. In else case, always we are redirecting to the login page, but we don't want. We have to check it out here. So we have to write a if condition and user. We have to use request dot user dot is authenticated. That's also built-in function. Like here, authenticated. Then you should return to dashboard, right? Else it should return to the login page. We'll try to find out that we are refreshing the page, so it's redirecting dashboard automatically because we are already authenticated user is there. The session is there in the browser, so automatically it will redirect to the dashboard. So it is taking us to the dashboard. Now we need a button to log out, right? So automatically, if log in means we have to log out. So we have to define a URL for logout. Same way in the logout, if you click logout, it should call a function. So we have to play the logout type slash logout. You should call a function logout. Then we have to define that function inside the models. So sorry, inside the view, we have to define. So we'll add EIF logout. We need request. Then It's little bit simple. Just you have to do it's o dot log out is actually a built-in function. And we have to pass the request. This is so simple, right? You don't have to do anything other than this. So if you call this auth dot logout, automatically it will log out and all the user session details will be clear. Then we have to return to the login page again. We'll check out this logout. So here we have to add the view.logouts. Then only we call the logout function. We'll check out this. I'm just directly calling from the input. See, it's taken to login page, right? Again, if you type dashboard, it will not show the details because we are not redirecting that. So username is not there, right? Already username is preset. Again, we are logging 1, 2, 3, 4. Username is coming. So in this page also we have to redirect to the login page. If you directly accessing this page, it should not be available. That we have to do it in the view again. If it is dashboard, if it is not authenticated, only it should take to the dashboard. Otherwise, it should take to the login page again. We'll try this. So that I'm typing dashboard here. It's redirecting again back, right? So here we did that. So here also we are in dashboard also we are checking out is user is authenticated, then only it will take, otherwise it will take you to the login page again.